Hello everyone, welcome to Mechanical Engineering online classes, MIOC. This is Shravani Sriramoju. Let us solve another problem under the same title, Kinematics of Particles in Rectilinear Motion under Variable Acceleration. Here the question is, the distance s traveled by a body moving in a straight line is given by an equation expressed in terms of t, where t is time in seconds. The question is, what time is elapsed when the velocity of body changes from 5 meter per second to 30 meter per second? And what distance the body will travel in this time is another question. And what will be the acceleration of the body when its velocity is 30 meter per second is the third question. Let us start solving the problem. Given s is equal to 4 by 3 t cube plus t square plus 3. Let this be equation number 1. Velocity v is ds by dt, the rate of change of displacement s. Let us differentiate equation number 1 with respect to t, and we have 4 by 3 into 3t square plus 2t dt by dt is 1 and plus d by dt of 3 is 0. So v gets to be this. So I can cancel 3 and 3 here and I get 4t square plus 2t. This is the expression for velocity in terms of time. Let this be equation number 2. Now the question is, what time is elapsed when velocity is changing from 5 meter per second to 30 meter per second? In the sense, we have some data in terms of velocity and we have to find time. Anyway, we have the expression for velocity in terms of time. So, in the first case, velocity was 5 meter per second. It is given here. So, let us find when is velocity 5 meter per second. What was the time that time? So, substitute 5 here. We have 4t square plus 2t is equal to 5. Now, on solving this is a quadratic equation. On solving this, you get two answers for t. One is 0.89 and the other is minus 1.39. Time cannot be negative, so neglecting this, I am picking up this. So the time is 0.89 seconds when velocity is 5 meter per second. The second case, when velocity is 30 meter per second. So 4t square plus 2t is equal to 30. Solving this quadratic expression, we get t is equal to 2.5 and minus 3. This is negative, so time cannot be negative. We neglect this. We pick t as 2.5 seconds when velocity is 30 meter per second. Now the question is, what time is elapsed when the velocity is changing from 5 meter to 30 meter? Velocity at 5 meter is, the time is this. When it became 30, the time is this. So what is the time between velocity changing from 5 to 30? It will be the difference between these times. 2.5 minus, so the first bit, the time elapsed is 2.5 minus 0.89, which is 1.61 second. So this is the answer to the first question. The first question is this: what time is elapsed? The second question is, what distance the body will travel in this time? So we have to find s for t equal to 1.61. So the second bit b is s is equal to, substitute this t value 1.61 in equation number 1, which is the expression for displacement and time. Now we have 4 by 3 into 1.61 whole cube plus 1.61 square plus 3. On solving this, we get 11.15 meter. So 11.15 meter distance is travelled by the body within the time in 1.61 seconds. This is the second bit. The third bit is, what will be the acceleration when its velocity is 30 meter per second? So that is the C bit. We have to find acceleration A. We know A is equal to dv by dt. V is given in equation number 2. So differentiating equation number 2 with respect to t gives us the acceleration. It becomes d by dt of 4t square is 8 into t plus d by dt of 2t is 2. Now acceleration when its velocity is 30 meter per second. So when velocity is 30 meter per second, this is case 2, t is 2.5. So substitute 2.5 in this is equal to 22 meter per second square. So these are the answers for the given questions.